So hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and many of you are asking regarding credits, how you can get free credits for completing some challenges, whether it's GenAI Academy 2.0 or just completing Arcade Labs. So here is your video, and if you are specifically watching this for GenAI Academy 2.0, so for them I have created a complete guide like from the syllabus to how to submit the profile and badges. Here is complete video. I'll link the playlist in the description. Do check it out. And one more important thing, do hype the video and do subscribe the channel. Now let's come to our main page. Okay, this is our main page of the Cloud Skills Boost. You have to just sign in or sign up in case you don't have an account, and then simply here what you need to do, you need to go to the subscription page. Okay, here you can see no cost option is there, is the starter one. Okay, you have to just select it like this, and after that you have to select your email address. Once you have selected, you have to click on continue. And once you have done all these things, it will ask to create your innovator profile. Like here, you have to mention your experience. You can just type early also, then your city, town, and whether you are a, you can just select anything like student also, or at, you can just type DU or any university, and then just click on join. Okay, here it's asking for town, so let me type it shows or not, and then simply click on join over here. Once you click on join over here, it will just refresh and you can see you got 35 innovator free credits. Okay, you can just click on start learning, and here you can just see your credits have been added. If you want to view, you have to just click on your profile, go to the starter page, go to the starter page, and here you can see the starter free credits is 35 have been added already. So like this, you can see each month you'll be getting 35 credits free of cost. And if you want more credits, you can just comment down below, we need more credits, can you provide more tutorial for it? So that's all about how you have to claim the credits in the GenAI Academy 2.0 event, or whether it's for normal arcade events. So thank you guys, have a great day ahead. All the resources are present in the description. Do check it out, do subscribe, do hype the video, and thank you. Goodbye.